What are you doing? Stop that right now.
Hi, my name is Vexina. I am from the planet X, and I am looking for friends. I am looking for a man with a big one, you know what I mean? A big smile. Do you want to be my boyfriend? Hi, my name is Tisha. I am Vixina's sister. I like the bad boys. Comment if you like me. You can ask me anything you like. We are ready to leave for planet Earth. Come on, Vexina. Let's board the starship.
This will be a fun trip.
Yes, it will.
In the dark of the night, under stars so bright, sisters of the cosmos, ready for flight. Planet X behind them, a past left in time. 10,000 years waiting, now it's their prime. Spaceships roaring, engines set to ignite. Feel the thrill building, it's a cosmic night. Shimmering lights on the hulls of their crafts, navigating through galaxies, dodging the drafts. We're on our way to the blue planet. Hear the engines roar, feel the beat, can you stand it? From the void of space, we're chasing dreams, sisters united, bursting at the seams, into the unknown, across the starlit sky. Our adventure begins, together we fly. With hearts full of hope and the past in the rear, the memories of Earth, it's finally near. A world once forgotten, now calling them home. Across the vast cosmos, no more shall they roam. future is glowing, anticipation so thick as they push all the buttons, feeling the click. An odyssey unfolds in the vast cosmic streams, futuristic visions chasing down their dreams. Every pulse of the engine sent shivers so deep. For the sisters of stars, it's a promise they keep. The countdown is nearing, excitement ablaze. Sisters prepare for the interstellar phase. With glances exchanged, they steady their fate. For the moment is now, they can hardly wait. In the silence of space, dreams start to soar. With engines ignited, they're ready for more. Taking off from the X, heading to where they belong. Through the cosmic ballet, singing their song. So let the engines pulse and the stars to ignite. Sisters traveling the stars into the night. This is just the